Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we will cover the meaning of clarity, letters of clarity, and we will take some examples of clarity. If you want to know, let's start. Number one, what is the meaning of clarity? Okay, I think you can guess the meaning of this rule. Okay, it means when I say noon sakina or tanween followed by any letter of clarity, I'll pronounce this noon sakina and tanween clearly without any changing. Number two, what are the letters of clarity? Okay, we have 6 letters of clarity. Hamzun, ha, aynun, ha, ghaynun, kha. Through clarity maybe comes between one word or 2 words. Let's move to examples. Izharun with Hamza, you can say yan'awna. I think you have noticed here that I pronounced noon sakina clearly without any changing. Okay, with tanween, kitabun anzalnahu. Kitabun a. Okay, also I have pronounced the hamza clearly without any changing. Izharun with ayn, min alaqa. Min alaqa, I have also pronounced the noon sakina clearly because it's followed by ayn. Okay, sami'un alim. I also pronounced the tanween with dhamma clearly because it's followed by sami'un alim. Okay, I have pronounced the tanween with dhamma clearly because it's followed by ayn letter. Izharun was ha, yanhitun. Okay, I have pronounced the noon sakina clearly because it's followed by ha letter. Alimun hakim. Also in this example, I have pronounced the tanween with dhamma clearly without any changing because it's followed by ha letter. Izharun was ghayn, qawlan ghayr. In this example also I have pronounced the tanween with fatha clearly because it's followed by ghayn letter. Izharun with kha, wal munkhaniqa. Wal munkhaniqa. I have pronounced the noon sakina clearly because it's followed by kha letter. And latifun khabir. Latifun khabir. I have pronounced the tanween with dhamma clearly here because it's followed by kha letter. Alhamdulillah, in this video we covered the meaning of clarity and examples of clarity. Okay, I think that's all. I can see you inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Salam.